establishing a Indian consulate in Georgia. I recently visited this beautiful country to attend a conference on the subject of women in arts for economic development on the invitation of Ambassador to European Council. I met many eminent personalities there from various fields. They are very fond of Indian art and culture, and they are very fond of Bollywood films and artists, and they look up at Indians with a lot of respect. And I met a lot of our Indians also. There are so many tourists visit there, but there are Indians who are settled down there, like students, there are businessmen, and some artists are there. And their only problem is that since there is no consulate in Georgia, they have to go all the way to Armenia and Azerbaijan. There the Indian consulate is there. Indian embassy is there. For small documents on trade and tourist documents, they have to go all the way there. So they requested me to establish a Indian council in Georgia that will help them, because the trade exchange between India and Georgia has registered an impressive growth in the last few years. There are many possibilities of cooperation between India and Georgia in various fields, especially industrial, education and cultural sectors. So it will be very nice if you can establish. So I request the Honorable Minister for External Affairs to consider setting up an Indian consulate in Georgia at the earliest. Thank you so much.
आपके प्रधानमंत्री ने मीरठ के भाषण में कहा कि पाकिस्तान की धरती पर हमने सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक किया, मतलब वो पीओके नहीं रहा, भारत ने अपना अधिकार भूल लिया। इसका प्रश्न का जवाब निशिकांत जी आपको देना होगा।